Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to set a password for your form. So as the first step, you must create a form and add the necessary questions and add the password field. So type your question here, and here you must select either short answer or paragraph. I'm selecting short answer, and then enable the required toggle button here and also choose response validation. And now you could see the conditions that you could use to set your password. So here I'm selecting a number, and then I'm typing a number here. So I want my password to be 1234. So I'm selecting equal to. So if the user types any other number other than 1234, it would be an invalid password. So here I'm giving my custom text as invalid password. So when the user types an incorrect password, this message appears. So we are good to go now, and I'm sending this. I'm copying this, and so if I type the password 123, it shows invalid password. But if I type 1234, this would be the right password, and hence the form is submitted. Thank you.